Hello, my name is Lynn Gillespie, and this week on the High Performance Garden Show Nuggets, we share with you how I harden off my garden plants to prepare them for planting in the garden. Here's a clip from the show. Okay, we are outside in my backyard, and I want to show you how I'm hardening off these plants. So right here is my great big pine tree, and she's got branches that are up over the top of both of these benches that I have here. And what I'm doing is getting some filtered light in here. Also, my house is to the southwest, which is where most of our wind comes from, so it's slowing down the wind. So I have this little pocket of slightly windy, slightly sunny spot that I'm hardening off my plants. So I just have a couple benches out here. These are for my production beds. There's squash and pumpkins and celery and tomatoes, a bunch of stuff out here. All right, so up here on the bench, this is our plants for our container garden. And as you can see, they're doing pretty well. We got our cucumbers. I got one pinched. I'm gonna get it unpinched. There we go. Our cucumbers, our squash, our pumpkins are a little bit behind. I did leave the basil in the greenhouse because out here we're having 40-degree nights. That's not going to cut it for basil, so I did take it out of this tray, but the stuff's looking really good. We'll be able to plant this next week, but I want this kind of softer space for them this week. A little less wind, a little bit of light, so that they can get used to being outdoors. This clip is from the High Performance Garden Show Year 10 Week 1. If you'd like to watch the whole show, it's free, it's online, and you can enroll on our website at thelivingfarm.org/high-performance-garden-show.